Hello, people, welcome to my channel, The Parallel Universe. Today, we are going to talk about how gratitude changes everything. Yes, the law of attraction states that what you put into this world is what you will get out of it. Simply, what you think is what you create in your life. You are the real creator of your own life. That's it. So, if we think negative thoughts, we are going to attract negativity in our life. And if we think a life full of joy, success, gratitude, we will never run out of things to be grateful for. So, here's a powerful practice you can use in your everyday life, and you can combine gratitude with the law of attraction to feel more joyful and inspired every single day. And also, you can create a life of your dreams. Well, let's start. This practice makes magic happen, and really, believe me, it is really quick. So, even better, it is extremely simple to do. Well, what you're gonna do is you need to give gratitude towards a specific area of your life that you are feeling stuck upon, okay? Like by giving gratitude for the area you're struggling in, instead of fretting and worrying about it, you'll find that your stress begins to unknot and you'll feel more peaceful and calm than even before. And yes, that's the true miracle of this practice, because feeling peace instead of stress around something that's been causing you constant fear and anxiety in your life is the biggest benefit of doing this. Extremely powerful, yes. And when you start manifesting things, you will see that there is miracle going on in your life, okay? So when you're feeling peace around a situation instead of stress, that is when your eyes see the miracles that have always been there, and you create even more miracles because it becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy. Got it? Well, gratitude is a powerful process for shifting your energy and bringing more of what you want in your life. When you practice gratitude, you will feel next level things in your life. You will feel more alive, because if you're grateful for the things you already have, God will give you more. They will give you more. You will be abundant in your life. And when you're ungrateful for the things, whatever you have, that won't be enough for you for the lifetime. And that's the thing I want to say to you. So gratitude practice is one of my favorite, because you'll feel connected to your things, to your family, to your friends. You're grateful for them. So it will help you in many different areas of your life. You'll feel more relaxed after when you show gratitude to someone. When you believe that you have the ability to create the world is all yours, that's the point where you change your entire reality. Is that okay? So you need to just pick any area of your life where you feel that you're stuck in, you feel that you cannot overcome this fear. You need to feel grateful for that. It's something you need to feel grateful about, so that you can remove these kinds of fear and anxiety from your life, okay? For example, if you are struggling with money issues, if you have financial problems, you need to say things like that. I'm grateful to God that God has given me so much amount of money. I'm really blessed with the best, with whatever sum of money I have. I'm literally abundant and I'm blessed. I'm grateful. Thank you, God, for all of the money you have given to me in my entire life. You need to feel grateful for the things that God has given you. Okay, you need to understand. You don't need to feel anxiety or any kind of fear. You just need to feel grateful. Don't feel that you won't be attracting any sort of money in the future. Don't think like that. You will attract. Just need to be grateful for a little while, and you will see magic will happen in your life. If there's any sort of problem, you can practice gratitude to remove that obstacle from your life. Okay, so next thing is that you can be thankful for whatever you have, you'll end up having more, right? And when you concentrate that you don't have this, you don't have that, you will never ever have enough. That is the thing, that is the fact. Just understand this line. This is really deep and it has a meaning, okay? So just understand that you need to be grateful. Okay, don't think that you don't have this, you don't have sort of money. Just feel that whatever money you have, it's sufficient for you, you are blessed, you're abundant. God will listen to you definitely. And it's gonna soon happen that you will attract more and more money in your life. That's a promise. Well, thanks for watching this video, and if you really enjoyed my video, go give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel and please press the bell icon to get the latest updates.